Hi guys, and welcome to today's task.
For today's task, I have pulled this beast out for what I thought was going to be some serious work at the property.
For the past, I don't know, 3.5 months, almost 4 months now, we have been building our driveway down to the property, and it is time for an inspection from the fire marshal. That's only one of the bases that we got to cover, but he's coming out tomorrow, and I want to have it kind of visible for him so that he can see exactly what we've done and see the grade, see that we've met it, you know, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. I'm pretty sure I just heard the ice fishermen out there say 10% as well. 10%. So they get it. You guys get it. You've heard it. You know. I don't know if this is a good thing or not. Maybe we just don't get as much snow out here where we're at. Maybe because of the wind, we get a lot of drifts. I know there are a lot of snow drifts going on here. And I'm looking at the driveway right now and seeing that it really packs up in here. That being said, it's still not that deep. So that the inspector does see that I've got this as wide as it needs to be, I am gonna still plow into this corner just a little bit. I don't wanna bring my truck over here and drive over here just to show him because it's about 1 foot deep and I definitely do not wanna get stuck out here. I don't know if I even accomplished what I came to do. I feel like I did. I at least got a good feel for the road myself and how plowing is gonna work from here on out. I did learn one thing that I've got to do to my plow, which will be another today's task later on down the road. We'll see. County Fire Chief is coming out for an inspection tomorrow, so we'll see what he says. Holy freaking cannoli, guys. Our road passed. The fire marshal just came by. The company that we had actually do the road was here just in case there was an issue. They were gonna come in and fix it, which I thought was really cool of them to be present, and they would just take care of whatever issues the fire marshal had. He rolled onto this thing like he was rolling onto Broadway in his truck, drove down, and he's like, this feels so good. Gave me the okay, drove out of here. I mean, it was like, I was hoping for like I don't know, like a little more climatic than that, but hey, a pass is a pass. So our road is passed. We are finally having access to the house. This is a huge deal. Such a big deal, and I'm super excited that we got it done. Okay, one thing we do need to address is this crack. It's pretty big. What has happened is when they did the initial cutout of it, we got a lot of snow in between there, and the way the wind blows up here, it blew it and it kind of settled over this ridge before this road was here, but on the cutout. And I remember stepping over there thinking this is a lot deeper than anywhere else on the property, and it was. There was a lot of snow. So they continued to push the ground down and all of this new material they brought in, and it kind of got set on top of some snow. So that snow has since thawed a little bit and sank. And that's a pretty significant cut. Luckily, the company that did this, they said in the spring when that's done settling, we'll come out, put a grade on it, bring in a little more material and top it off. No cost, that's already paid for. I think that's pretty cool. When you're paying for contractors to come do work, make sure that they guarantee their work. But in the meantime, the city said, hey, we're good. What is amazing is how nice this actually feels. I was very much against the idea of spending more for bringing in material for slope and expanding the road to a huger width. We only had it as a 12-foot road, and they made us change it. And to be honest, I'm really grateful because it feels so nice going down, and it wouldn't have felt that way had we not met the standards. So those safety standards, minimum standards that inspectors and things like that put on stuff, it's for a reason. So try to follow them. Follow them. With that, I am headed to the county with some paperwork to hopefully sign off a few more signatures to almost have our zoning clearance all of the way done, and then we can submit a building permit. I will keep you updated. If you guys are interested in staying along with this journey on the Hole 13, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos coming out. And until then, we'll see you next time. But so that
Animal prints galore out here.
maybe we'll have to buy a salt lick, put it out for him. I don't know if you can do that. Comment down below if you know if you can do that in the state of Utah. I don't know if that's legal. How about you guys ride in the back with me? We just disagree. Drove down, first day on the job. One thing we do need to address. Jolie is stupid. One thing that we do need to address, oh, let's get to where you guys can actually see me, jeez. When the snow was here, sorry, it just doesn't, they said, look, they said, it's so cold out here. When you do, so you guys,
County.
I have an inspection tomorrow. But I have the county fire, can you see the truck in the background? But I have the county fire chief coming out for an I have the county fire chief coming out for an inspection tomorrow, so we'll, holy crap, my hand is so cold. Why did I leave my door open? Am I an idiot?